Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Icino. NEO user request. So NEO could not get up above the 62.5%, just got right to it from this sell-off, then sort of formed a massive double top. Let's just actually see where that would project it. I didn't use those projections for this one because it was slightly off with this hiccup, but let's just see where that would put it with the full target and the 75. And the 50. Okay, so those are the GAN ones we use for those. Those are the ones proven out. This is pretty interesting. So NEO right now had a cluster from the double top and this high, the 20th, down to the low on the 21st, which gave us a cluster around 116 to 117. Hit there, pretty much dead stop, slight little recovery, and then now moving back down. So let me take off this one. We do not need it anymore. All right, now we have a little pause. So from the high again on the 20th to the most recent low on the 22nd gives us another cluster area, 110 to 111. We literally have three things clustered there. We have a 75% retracement level from the lows to these highs. Then we have the first profit target of the short from the double top, which would come in at about 110.025, and we have this GAN projection 110.28, and we're sitting there right now. Now if we continue lower, again there's no major reversal pattern, so we'll have rotations back up. We'll be watching for the 105 and then major next cluster. Look at this, 102. So that's a full projection from this double top and the 87.5% GAN retracement level. Then right below that, 99.79, we have the 200 simple. So the next major level I'd be targeting would be this 102 level with a minor level of 105. Now on rallies, we're watching for really a return. A weak rally would take us to 119 to 120. A stronger rally would take us to 124. And then a really strong rally would take us to a prior breakdown zone. You see support, 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 and lower in 21 coming in there. So that'd be about 131. And again, we're not looking to buy anything here. We'd be looking, if there was a high probability pattern that triggered, then we definitely move up our stops when it hit this lower level and then take some profits as it approached into the rotation zone because we don't want to risk it when it's going against the rotation zone. But overall, NEO pretty weak, already down to 75% retracement level, but that does not mean it's going to plummet. We're still going to get rotations. Let's check in on the daily for NEO. So you can see, it's back to essentially price levels trading back to the 11th of January. But we could see it break all the way down. If it goes and retests these lows, look at this. Nice 50-day exponential moving average coming in at the 95 level. So that's an eventual target, and if it keeps dragging lower, we'll get the first cross on this daily. So that's your update for NEO. You know what? I'm actually going to go with to weekly too, just to see. All right, we don't have enough weeks for the 21 EMA, but we can see the top of the rotation zone. So 8 caught up, pushed the price back up, but now it looks like we're going to retest this. So key close here, back from the first week of January, right around this 98, coming in with the 8. That might be minor support, really watching this 95 level. Switching over to Monero. Monero also now breaking below the 62.5% retracement level. Look at that nice little low of that bar that we're using for our next projection down. Also lining up with this prior support level. Now we've plummeted to the next GAN projection level from the high back on the 20th to this little pause. These aren't the most accurate when you just get a little pause. But considering we have a lot of weakness in here, best we could do, and they're still going to be somewhat accurate. Right now we're trading at the 286 level, which is projected. And then we're going to be watching for this next cluster, 277 to 299 for the next major level. If that doesn't hold, you can watch for minor support, 273, but the next major level is 257. On a rally back up, major resistance is going to come in now about the 321 level, and on a stronger rally we'd be watching for 335. But again, no buying pattern here. Let's check the daily chart on Monero. So daily chart on Monero, trading back this, if we close down here, that would be the lowest close, even with this major sell-off. That would be the lowest close since we were back really on the middle of December, on the 13th of December. Or, yeah, we'd be closing below the 13th of December. So pretty weak market here. Nothing really to do. Looks like we're getting the hooking over rotation zone, and we have the flat 50. I said at that 321 level, that's also where the flat 50 is on the daily. So again, more major resistance level there. If we did rally through it, you could watch for 343, but there is no buying options as presented yet in Monero. So that's what we have for you in a little quick update. NEO, user request, and Monero. And we will keep some more videos coming. Stay tuned. Thanks for all the subscribers, all the extra views, and everything you guys are doing to keep this channel moving along. We really appreciate it. Bye for now.